lifting the dim with the rising glow. The curtains breathe in with a gentle stir, as if the story wakes beneath their fold. She steps forward with steady warmth, her voice clear as unfolding light. Her melody gathers in shining arcs, drawing the moment into motion. The moment the curtains breathe in, her voice becomes the opening flame. Mon amour, doucement, each note falls like glimmers in the air, leading the scene toward its first frame. Begins its quiet stride, guiding her tone with playful grace. She sings a phrase that sweeps the floor, a line the sax repeats in golden curves. The room leans close to catch her breath, brightening with every sound she brings. Her voice grows fuller with each refrain, carrying the stillness into bloom. The moment the curtains breathe in, her melody lighting the silent space. Mon amour, doucement, each phrase opens the room, soft arcs turning the hush into gentle shine. Strings shimmer beneath her breath, a halo forming around her tone. The scene expands like a waking dream held in the glow. She sends across the floor. The moment the curtains breathe in, her song becomes the starting line. Mon amour, doucement, her voice unfolding like new film light, leading the world into its story. Final note resting in rising gold. The morning sun slips over the quiet bay, painting silver lines across the sea. Boats sway softly in the gentle glow, Monaco waking under golden light. She walks along the harbor's edge, her voice rising with the warmth of dawn. Her tone shines clear and steady, a soft echo carried by the calm breeze. Morning light in the Monaco harbor, glimmering bright as she begins to sing. Bonjour, mon amour. Her melody lifts cafes open with a tender hush, the scent of coffee drifting through the air. Fishermen laugh in the early sun, their shadows stretching long and warm. She hums a tune, the saxophone answers, a golden rhythm born from morning light. Her voice glides smooth and graceful, echoing softly off the harbor walls. Morning light in the Monaco harbor, carrying her song across the sea. Bonjour, mon amour. Each note settles like a gentle wave, shining where the day begins. The breeze draws her music skyward, lifting it high above the sparkling bay. A calm so pure it feels like film, a moment held in amber light. Morning light in the Monaco harbor, her belly glowing warm and bright. Bonjour, mon amour. Her voice guiding the waking city into the soft embrace of day. Her song drifting through the rising sun. Sunlight spills across the quiet room, touching every corner with a golden glow. She takes a breath and steps toward the window, her voice rising warm into the tender air. The world begins with gentle motion, a rhythm born from morning light. Her melody glides with steady grace, echoing softly through the waking calm. The rhythm a gentle morning, moving with her shining tone.